Hello, my name is Greg Francis with Turnover Application Systems, and I'll be giving you a brief overview of our application. Within the application, there are 6 sections: Live Note, Quick Note, Quick Search, Database Search, View Log, Local Admin. Report a problem with Live Note entry. Support personnel may then take ownership of the Live Note entry. When completed, hit Submit. Past records can be searched from Quick Search. In a similar fashion, you may search the records through the database search. With local admin tools, quickly and conveniently add team members. Thank you for watching this quick demo.